Tara, samahan nyo kong review natin itong Thunderbolt Pro ng Shooters Guns and Ammo. So ito yung mga kasama niya out of the box. Itong kulay black na to, hindi ko sure kung ano to, pero pa-comment na lang sa comment section kung alam niyo siya. Meron siyang kasamang flag chamber indicator. Meron itong microfiber barrel brush. Plastic barrel brush. Copper wire barrel brush. At meron ding itong cleaning rod. And of course, meron siyang manual, no? I suggest guys, basahin nyo siya so you could know the ins and out of your pistol. So here is the actual unit. It's an all steel gun with a 5-inch barrel, available in 9 and 45 ACP. The gun comes with 2 magazine na gawa ng Mec-Gar, 7 rounders for 45 and 9 rounder naman para sa 9mm. Now, isa-isahin naman natin ang mga features niya. Out of the box, meron siyang kasamang fiber optic front sight, and 2 white dots for rear sight for faster target acquisition. The pistol is already optic ready for your preferred red dots. You can also attach light and lasers dun sa kanyang Picatinny rail. And very large front and rear serrations. Safety controls are already ambidextrous. The wood grips give it a classic look without sacrificing comfort. Of course, meron siyang malaking mag weld for faster magazine insertion. Tara, testingin na natin. For me, the only concern I have with the gun is their magazines. Yung magazine kasi wala siyang kasamang base pad. Hence, hindi siya ma-fully flush sa loob. So, kailangan mo pa siya itulak sa loob. But again, this is an easy fix. Base pad lang o mas mahabang magazine. Overall, as shown in the video, the gun is very accurate. The trigger is unmatched, around 2 pounds. Wala kaming na-experience kahit anong malfunction during the test. And it is a very affordable and sexy gun. Again, thank you. Hope you like this review. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!